This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, we have made a file index. Under the index, we have rows 8%, 12%, 65, 15%. If you run this file, it was something like this. It was something like this, right? We'll go in that, and then what we'll do is we will start from the info file. So hope your page has divided into multiple blocks. Your page is divided into multiple blocks. Something like this. Info file you open first. We'll start modification from one side. Info file. In info file, HTML will start from. HTML, then will follow here called body tag, and under the body tag, you will write the BG color, assume call blue color. BG color is a blue, you can write. You will create a table here. Inside the table, you will keep align equal to center, cell padding equal to 10. Width also you can give 80%. Okay, so next after that, you will add a TR here. We'll add called TD. TD. This TD will have one font color equal to white. White. Okay, next after that, next TD. Align should be right. Marathali, Bangalore. Save now. You can run this file individual also. Font size, if you want to increase, you can increase little 5. Here also we can give font size as 5. Check this file, info file. It should come in blue background and text will be in white color. Something like this. Same time, if you run your index file, we have index file. If you run the index file, there we can see in the top blue color will come where it will reflect. Font size look like little bigger. You may reduce to 3, not 3, 4. Because some scroller was coming there. There should not be any scroll. It should fit like this. So still it's bigger. Look like complete font size we have to remove. Oh, cell no font size is okay. Hold on. Font size is okay. This padding is not required. You don't need padding. Already we are covering the 80% of the width in center. So that will look like this. Yes, you don't need padding, remove padding. And size let it be 5 and width let it be 80%. Okay, hope done. Come to the next file. That is called index file is ready. Next file will be called nav file, NAV. NAV. We have created already one file here, nav. We'll work on that. In nav file, we are going to display the table. In the nav file, we will be using the table, and under the table, we will display the list of navigation. So how that look? Let's start with the HTML. Follow the body tag. So hope info file was completed for everyone. If no, you can let me know. I will come back again to that file. BG color pink will be there. Table. Keep still align as a center. Cell padding as a 10. TR, TH, or maybe TD. ahref equal to, you will keep here call home, and you will call here same home.html. 2, 3, 4, 5. Home, about, contact, right, login, register. About us, contact us, login, register. Complete this all links. Let me know in the chat if you have done. We can move next for the next file. Okay, people have written. Some more people need to say yes, no. 3, 4, 5 are done. Let's complete other people also. Okay, cool. Go ahead then. You can run this file and check once what is the output. Simple, plain, orange colors, pink color, something appear. Index file if we run, that will appear here only. Now we need to go for the home file and footer file. So home file we have here, in that we can start from HTML, follow the body tag, and follow the H1 tag. Welcome home is right. Keep align equal to come down below, write a paragraph. Some text you can add here. You can keep align equal to center. Check now again, home file. Index if we run, home will come here. Next is the footer file. In that also we can add some content. Footer.html file. We can set the BG color as a go to footer file. Start from HTML. Follow the body tag again. BG color equal to green color. Align equal to center. You can write some name. Very digital media. Before that, one BR is required. The project should come little down, and this should be little big size. So for that, color we have to apply as white color. So here, size also you can change. Check the footer file. Green color. Okay. Footer file came in the green color. Now border we have to remove. If we remove border, page will look more clean and clear. So to remove the border, we have to go to the index file. To remove border, we need to go to the index file. Come to the index file. Right inside, border equal to 0, BOR equal to 0. This 12% we want to reduce little, keep 10% and make here 67%. This line combination you can change little, height wise little difference. It should be proper height wise. Hook modification is done. Border equal to 0. You can check your page. It should look more clean. Navigation on the top. This is the linking part. This is the middle section. Look similar or different? Say yes, no once. Seven reply came. Okay, next functionality is what? Next functionality is when you click on these links, the link you can see that when you click on the links, the content should change in the middle section. The white block we have created, content should change in that middle section. Content should not go somewhere else. It should change into the middle section. So for that, some other extra changes are required. When you click on this link, we have to play around the target property. We have a property called target. We have to play around the target property. Okay. So we'll go here and for each block, we will give a name. Like suppose for frame first we have, you have to give a unique name for this. Maybe block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4 should be the name of each block. Hope names is given for every block. Come next. You will go to the header file. First look into the browser. Requirement is info is in block 1, nav is in block 2, home is in block 3, footer is in block 4. Right. Block 1, 2, 3, 4. Block 1, 2, 3, 4 we have. There what we have done, we have added the name for every block, and by default we are loading some pages. By default we are loading some pages. For example, under the block 1 we are loading the info, under the block 2 we are loading the nav, block 3 we are loading the home, block 4 we are loading the footer. Right. Block 4 we are loading the footer. So next what will happen is, when user will come to your page and user will click in this navigation. The navigation is coming under the block 2. This is coming under the block 2. Now when we click on any link, the content should change under the block 3. The content should change under the block 3. That is our requirement. Content should change under the block 3. That is our requirement. So what to do for that? We have to use the target property. With the hyperlink, we have to use the target property. So come to your header file. Not header file, nav file. See, block 3 is pointing to home, where home is appearing, that is being pointed by block 3. Block 3 is getting pointed by home. Okay, block 3 is getting pointed by home. So under the home, what is coming? Block 3, right? Block 3, under the block 3, home is coming. Now user will click on nav file. When he will click on nav file, we have to change the source. This source we have to change. So what to do for that? We will go to the browser. We'll go to the browser in nav.html file. And for every hyperlink, we write here target equal to block 3. Block 3, block 3, block 3, block 3. Everywhere. Add this target property, then we'll see how it is going to work. Target equal to block 3 of written. See now, when we click on the contact us, it will load a file contact.html, but where it will go? Log 3. When you click on login, it will load the login.html, but where it will go? Log 3. When you click on register page will load, but where it will go? Under the block 3, right? So block 3 where it is? Block 3 is mentioned under the index file. That is the name of area. The area height is 67% and width is 100%. So now after writing this, we will test once whether it is going to work or not. So we can see like this. We refresh the index file, and after refreshing, click on home. Remain same. About, it will say page not found, but in middle section. Contact, but page not found in middle section. Login, not found in middle section. Register, not found in middle section. Right? Everywhere. Correct? Well, to see. In any click, home file is exist, so home file is loading. Other files are not exist, so other files will not load. It will say page not found. We have to create these pages. After that, it will work guarantee. Okay, see here. Home is working, others are not working. So check, for anyone have the error, anyone is unable to open the new tab. If new tab is opening, then there is error in your page. So what I'm trying to say, if you click on this link, are you finding new tab is opened or not? If new tab open, then there is error. When you click here, new tab open, then there is error. New tab should not open. If you click anywhere, the content should change in the middle section. New tab should not open. Okay, so let me check once. New tab, no new tab open. Okay, cool, and go ahead. Now we have to create about, contact, login, and register. These files we have to create. Okay, these files we need to create. That is called home, about, contact, login, and register. Create a file called about.html in current folder only. HTML you start, and body you start, and H1 you open close. Write your call about us. Align center, 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 and center. After creating the about file, you can run the index again and click on about page. You will find once you click on about will appear here. Home will also appear, about will also. Something like this. Home and about should work properly. Whenever we click on home page and about page, both the links should work. Both the links should load the video. Something like this. Create next file, similar way, contact. Contact.html file as per the name. Next file is contact.html. जा रहा है क्या? ओके, इसका ऐसा राउंड है कल? आपका फाइनल राउंड है कल? आपका कल फाइनल राउंड है? कल HR राउंड, फाइनल राउंड. What questions they ask? Nothing about home, family, what do we eat, how many members are in family. Even today they ask this question. Same thing someone else will do formality tomorrow. Okay, wait करते हैं कल का. Okay, ठीक है. Create a table. Table why we required here? Table is non required. Okay, this is a contact us. It should be a page. Okay, so inside you can write your align equal to center and you will write all. Enter your query. Create a table. Line center. Cell padding PR, TSTD, contact us form. Enter your name. PD your videos. Into type of the text. Check now how contact page look. One form is coming, something like this. This is the figure of RAM set. Okay, you can see when you are clicking on the links, you can see you are always on index page. You are always on index page, and whenever you click anywhere, the pages are loading, pages are coming, but URL is same. Internally, your page load and display here. Internally, your page load and display here, whereas URL remain same. URL remain same. Go here again, add some more field. 1 TR we have added. Add some more TR. Enter your mobile number. Input type equal to number you can give. Email ID. Input type equal to email. Email ID. Check now, it should be like this. Add one more field here. Text area. Your message. Text area open. Placeholder equal to message. Text area is closed. PR PH span 2. We will create a button and the message. Let's try this. And check this. Hope ready? Like this. Text area we can increase little width. You remember we have a property called row and columns. Rows will increase the height. Suppose I'll give 8. Calls will give call maybe 40. Little big size. So it will be little bigger text area where user can enter bulk message, more message. Next, two more file we need to create, login and register. See now your contact page is ready. Contact file is ready. Then we can move ahead to the login page. I will share you this code, contact table to table complete in your chat. Table to table complete code is in your chat. You can use that as well. And login file, you can create a file login.html. Create a file login.html. Next file. HTML body. Create a table. Next, after that table, keep a line equal to center. Cell padding equal to 15. Write inside one caption. H1. Keep the login. PR. PH. Email ID. P. Input type equal to text. Placeholder equal to enter email ID. Put here one more field. Password. Input type equal to password. not send a message, login. This will be as a login page, basic. For this, if you want keep border, you can keep border, no problem. BG color if you want to give, you can give BG color, orange color, light green, blue, sky blue, your wish, any color. Book ready login page. Let's go for the next file, that is called register. Register, or what is that? NAV file is register only. So we can check the register page. See, login look like this. Register file. Create next file, register .html, register .html, and take copy of login page. You can take the copy of login page. Copy everything and paste here. Everything copy paste here. In that, now change here for register. Email ID password, let it be. Button also change to register. Okay, next after that, you have to add some more field here. Full name. Full name you will add here. You will add your mobile number in the last. Input type equal to number. Enter mobile number. Enter name. Orange you can put as some other color. Light green. Then it will look better. And check once. Button is just button only. Modify this much. Space should look more better. Okay, so hope completed. Register page is working. Check once. It's look like this. Similar or different? Okay, so these pages are ready. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Sir, I have few doubts regarding the assignment.
Tomorrow, once we start the class, beginning you can ask me, I will guide you.
Okay, sir.
When we start the class, all because I have next class after this. So your 1 hour doubt we can clear, but just you ask in the beginning.